Hello everybody, my name is Yuliani. I want to describe about my paper, Impact of COVID-19 on Supply Chain Management. Let me see the slide. Coronavirus that is spreading in various parts of the world has now been declared a global pandemic by the World Health Organization, or what is commonly referred to as WHO. WHO. Many factors associated with this virus are still unknown at this time, such as the incubating period, the level of infection of patients who do not cause symptoms, the quality of the immune response that each individual has, etc. The cause of the coronavirus is determined is a global pandemic because the spread of the virus is very fast and can be through direct contact or drop only. In addition, this problem will also cause the amount of demand that cannot be fulfilled properly due to the disrupt supply chains that will hamper the flow from the supply chains. Health Agency launched case investigation, contact tracing, quarantine of people infected with the coronavirus, and then isolate, confirm, and suspect cases, and carry out improved prevention and control of infection on the spot and see and analyze based on previous pandemic experience. This is done to determine the next step to be taken to deal with various problems such as supply chains that are disrupted due to labor and reduced mobility. This is the literature review on this paper. The coronavirus was first discovered in December 2019. This virus emerged in the seafood market in Wuhan, China, and that began to develop and spread in various countries in the world. With a high level of causes and deadly effect after contracting this virus, this coronavirus is one of the most dangerous threats to the world. If someone is infected by the coronavirus, will cause severe respiratory illness and can be even cause death. To stop the spread of the virus, mass testing is done using PCR tests to take immediate action so that transmission rates can be reduced. This is the continued literature review. At the time of this writing, the World Health Organization has increased the global risk of coronavirus disease 2019, being very high. Many factors associated with this virus are still unknown at this time, such as the incubation period, the level infection of patients who do not cause symptoms, the quality of the immune response that each individual has, etc., which makes this virus difficult to handle and find the right solution. Even the right vaccine or treatment to deal with the coronavirus has not been found that research with the impact of COVID-19. The limited health facility and the number of medical personnel owned by each country require the country to take immediate action, especially to inhibit the rate of coronavirus transmission that occur in the community. One of it is by applying lockdown. In addition, the use of properly personal protective equipment can also inhibit the transmission of the coronavirus, especially from infected patient to medical personnel treatment patient. And then, however, do the lockdown carried out to inhibit the transmission of the coronavirus cause a variety of new problems, especially layoff that occur, which will certainly cause economic shock that affect the supply chains that cannot run properly. Supply chains disrupt the lack of manpower due to the inability of the company to provide salaries to its employee, and the mobility is restricted by the government inhibiting the spread of virus. Corona causes demand and supply problems and lead to the price of goods that can soar high if left unchecked. At present, the company main concern relate the problem with falling demand, increased uncertainty experienced due to uncertain situation, and disruption in the supply chains due the lack of mobility and labor. Another important concern relates to employee welfare regarding salaries and compensation that will be given to be limited due to the company revenue not running smoothly. An economic crisis will certainly occur if this cannot be resolved quickly and correctly. As a result of the coronavirus, there have been many delays in production activities due to the burden carried out by the government, namely lockdown. This is what will lead to the decline of revenue drastically. In addition, this issue also will cause the amount of demand that cannot be filled with the good result supply chains that will impact the follow of the supply chains. And then this is the research method in this paper. Health institution launch cost investigation, contact tracking, quarantine of people infected with coronavirus, and then isolate, confirm, and suspect cases and carry out improve prevention and control in infection on the spot. And then according to this previous research based on epidemiological assumption that occur in the previous pandemic, we made a set of filter that change shock to economy shock, the reduce labor supply in its country, mortality and morbidity, and increase in the cost of doing business in its sector, including disruption of production network in its of the country sector. A reduction in consumption due to a shift in customer preferences for its item from its country. Increase in the equity risk premium for the company in its sector in its country, and an increase in domestic risk premium based on exposure to disease and vulnerability to changing microeconomic condition. Result and discussion about this paper, many discussion. The first is discuss how WHO has established the coronavirus as a global pandemic. This is result and discussion from systematic literature review from this previous research. The second one is discussing about the first appearance of the coronavirus in December 2019, and then discussion about manufacture associated with this pathogen is still unknown. Then discuss how vaccine or treatment have not yet been found for the coronavirus, discussing about the symptoms caused by the coronavirus. Then discusses how coronavirus causes severe acute respiratory illness, discusses coronavirus testing using PCR test, discussing the transmission of the coronavirus very quickly and only through droplet and direct contact. Discussion the role of social distancing in inhibiting the rate of coronavirus spread. Discuss how a country that has low readiness will have difficult and handling this pandemic. Discuss the importance of personal protective equipment for medical personnel. Discuss how medical personnel are the unit most prone to contracting the coronavirus. Discuss the importance of telemedicine in selecting patients who need intensive treatment or not. Discussing about long-term planning in dealing with the coronavirus, how lockdown are needed to reduce the number of coronavirus cases. Coronavirus with the causes economic shock and supply chains, impact of the coronavirus on the supply chains disruption due to lack of labor and mobility. The company main concern relate the falling demand, increasing uncertainty and disruption in supply chains. The control and prevention and coronavirus infection, and the last systematic literature review. And in this paper, discuss epidemiological assumption based on previous pandemic experience. This is the summary about systematic literature review from previous research study. This is the conclusion about this paper. The first coronavirus first appeared in December 2019. This virus appeared in Wuhan, China, then began to develop and spread in various countries in the world. This happened because the transmission of the coronavirus is very fast and only through droplet and direct contact. Steps taken to slow down the rate transmission of the coronavirus by expecting a lockdown. However, this lockdown indirectly kills the country economic because productivity and mobility are disrupted. This also has an impact on the supply chains, which find a pain of uncertainty, so that the supply chains becomes problematic. And of course, if this is left out, it will causes requests that cannot be fulfilled in time manner. If demand continues to increase without being followed by an adequate supply of goods, will causes price to soar. Therefore, we must immediately make two very important decisions, namely saving the lives of patients infected with corona and thinking of solution the long run so that this incident does not recur. The last with the premise of the experience of previous pandemic, and by conducting investigation into the case, contact tracing, quarantine people infected, as well as holding the isolation in the case has been confirmed and suspect. And by an increase in infection prevention and control in place can make us able to arrange the right plan so that supply chains problem can be overcome properly and the economic risks can be avoided. This is the last session on this paper, and thank you.